This is Justin Paul from Computer Science and Engineering. Today I would be explaining you a C++ program to create a simple calculator using switch case. To start with, I have included a header file called #include iostream and then using namespace std, which is a standard library for input and output facilities such as cin, cout and endl. Then as we all know that the program execution starts from int main. So as we start with, I have declared 7 variables a, b, c, sum, diff, div, prod. They will be doing calculations such as sum is used for calculating the sum of two numbers, diff will be calculating the difference, div will be calculating the division, and then prod will be doing the product of two numbers. So a and b will be the values which will be entered by the user, and then I have displayed the operation which this simple calculator will be doing, like 1 addition, 2 subtraction, third multiplication, fourth division. So now I have asked the user to enter the operation which he needs to do. So I have put a switch case. So if the user enters 1, then this case 1 will be executed. If user enters 2, then case 2 will be executed. So suppose if the user enters 1, then case 1 will be executed. To start with, I have declared sum is equal to a plus b, and then I have displayed sum of two numbers is equal to sum. So the sum will be displayed, and then I have put a break so that after executing this couple of statements, this will come out of the loop and the output will be displayed. So if the user enters 2, then the difference will be calculated. So I have declared diff, that is diff is equal to a minus b, and then the difference of two numbers will be displayed. In the same way, case 3, prod, that is the product of two numbers a and b will be displayed, and then I have put a break statement so that it comes out of the loop after executing the statements. The same way, case 4, div, that is a divided by b, in this case the quotient of two numbers will be displayed. So suppose if the user enters any other number except 1, 2, 3 and 4, like 8 or 9, then the output will be as invalid selection. So let me run this program and show you how this program runs. So here it's asking enter first value. So suppose I enter 20 and then second value as 2. So if I want to add these two numbers, I need to select 1 because 1 we have taken as addition. So now the output is as sum of two numbers is equal to 22. In the same way, let us take a case of negative number -3 and then -9. So in this case, if I want to do the subtraction operator, I need to select 2. So I selected 2 and then difference of two numbers is 6. That is -3 minus -9. That is -3 plus 9 is equal to 6. In the same way, if I want to do multiplication, so suppose -3 and then 4. So for multiplication, I need to select 3. So product of two numbers is -12. In the same way, for division, like 20 and then second number as 5. So if I want to divide, I need to select as 4. So the quotient of two numbers is 4. In the same way, if the user enters any other value like 27, and if the user enters any other value, suppose if I enter 9, then it will be showing as invalid selection. So I hope you understood the program, and one application of this program is whenever we need to calculate the sum, we need to subtract two numbers for doing our project, and it's a simple way to do. So I hope this program is useful for you and you have understood the concepts of this. Thank you for watching my video.